Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage your fonts. If I open up my document and type in some random text, my name for example, right, I have all these fonts here. And when I'm doing a project for a client, sometimes it can be difficult to manage what fonts I have, what fonts I could have that I never use. If I have a font that I never use, then there's not much point in it being in my selection. That's a nice font there. Code. So the main point of this video is just how to manage these fonts so that you aren't, I guess, over encumbered, sort of, with the amount of fonts there are. Now the software that I have, which is completely free, completely and utterly free, is called Nexus Font. I'll provide a link to it in the description. This software will let you manage all of the fonts you have installed. Now, Windows 10 recently came out, and obviously when it installs around 150 fonts. My recommendation is to uninstall every unnecessary fonts, but just keeping the base fonts that Windows needs, because it installs so much crap, essentially, that you don't need. Keep things like Times New Roman and things, but it installs a lot of fonts that it would be better just to start with a clean slate, and then over time install your own fonts, which is what I do. So in this software, for example, I can click and either delete a font. I can create a folder and say I want all my sans serif fonts in one folder, and then all the I don't know, script fonts or what have you in one folder. I can organize it so that they are all in their own separate folders, so it's easier to find out, which is which. I can hide a font if I want. Add to set, a simple set, copy to folders, edit tags, you can tag them. You can hide fonts if you wish. You can see the different variations. Make them bold. I don't know why you do that. Subfolders, UI language, show file name. So if you need to find the file. But I mean, I can add a group. So if I add a group name and just call it sans serif, then I can organize all my sans serif fonts into a group, just to make things easier. Uninstall fonts. You can hide fonts. It just makes things easier to manage it. Another suggestion, and this is just going to be a wee bit added onto the video. If you are looking for fonts that are free, commercially free, so that you can use them on your logo designs or whatever without any copyright infringement, Squirrel only uploads fonts that are 100% free for commercial use. So every font on the site is free for commercial use. So you can use any font here. And they have thousands of fonts. And they have an almost free section where they provide very, very cheap fonts. Like some fonts can be hundreds of dollars, pounds. This will show you some cheap fonts. Ones are like $16. Some really nice fonts though, like I don't know, Sucrose, Hallis. Just tons and tons of fonts. So that's my recommendation, Nexus Font, which will help you manage your fonts. I'll provide a link in the description. As well, if you want to get free fonts that you can use commercially, then I would use Squirrel, which I'll also link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you have any, if you need any tutorials or you have any suggestions for tutorials, feel free to leave a comment, and please like the video. Thanks.